Iceland, once called the land of fire and ice. A country with an endless system of gravel roads to explore. Circumnavigating glaciers, riding volcanic rock, and crossing rivers. Fully self-supported with no opportunities for resupplies. This is the Iceland Ultra Divide.
Hey, what's up? We are in Iceland and we're just starting our route. We're leaving Vik. It was a hell of an effort to get to Iceland. But yeah, gonna go ride the modified version of an Iceland Divide Trail. Let's do it. So far, day one was just amazing. Lots of change in scenery. Felt like we were riding on the moon at one point, and we did follow a glacier for a long period of time, which was super cool. We're just leaving our campsite today. Beautiful day out. Wasn't expecting there to be beautiful weather like this. We got about 80 kilometers today. Sun's out, looking beautiful. Maybe a little bit of a headwind. Just crossed another river here, probably done about a dozen river crossings today. It's pretty time consuming, you have to take your shoes off, put your water shoes on, but just absolutely stunning, yeah. Check out these views. Oh, that's not it, but check out this one. Yeah. So we did about 7 hours today, and that was about 50 kilometers. I feel like we did like 20 different river crossings, which are pretty time consuming, but it's hard to complain when you're just in such a beautiful place like this. Just the scenery is vast, very amazing. I feel very lucky and privileged to be able here to ride our bikes. Hey, good morning. Day 3 here in Iceland. We didn't get as far as we wanted to yesterday, pretty slow moving. But yeah, another gorgeous day in Iceland. Who would have expected it to be so sunny and blue skies? We just left the hot springs and we've got on this new F-Road 208. It is super sandy, lots of washboard and tons of cars. We're gonna try to set up camp in maybe 10-15K. I'll check in with you there. Good morning. We did about 80 kilometers yesterday and we're able to stop off at the hot springs. It was really nice. The 20K after that were pretty rugged, lots of washboard, really deep sand and lots of cars passing. But it was totally worth it to get to this really picturesque waterfall And now we have a little bit of a paved road that's going up, and then we're going to continue heading north up through the Highlands. We've done about 50 kilometers so far today, and it's been a lot of washboard, but we've had some pretty wicked tailwinds, which you have to be grateful for. So I think we're going to try to do another 50, and then there's a cabin up the road. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just coming up on 100K for the day. I think we'll be doing about 105, so getting pretty close to where our campsite is. The kilometers do not come easy in Iceland. Man, been grinded today. But yeah, beautiful country. Would highly recommend. Good morning, day 5. We had a huge day yesterday. It was quite the push. I'm looking pretty tired this morning. We're going to leave camp a little bit later today and try to do about 65 kilometers to the next hut, where's our last water source for a little bit. See you there. Probably been one of my favorite days of riding ever today. So much fun, downhill, really technical, bike's handling really well. Very grateful today. That downhill section on the volcanic rock was probably the most fun part of the trip. I wish I recorded more of it, but too busy just dropping the post and ripping it. Good morning, day 6 I think. We just left the cabin that we stayed at last night. There was a few other hikers and cyclists there, and we got some intel on the route, so I think we're going to switch the route up slightly today to avoid some deep sand. Yeah, otherwise looking like another beautiful day in Iceland, as you can see with these blue skies. Iceland, you are cruel. That has been the road for the last couple kilometers. So we just stopped at a hut, had a quick nap and something to eat, and it's about 25 kilometers more until the hut that we're going to stay at tonight. We got a wicked tailwind, and it's mostly downhill until then. Hey, good morning. Another beautiful day in Iceland, blue skies. Don't think it ever rains here. At least that's my experience. Today's probably going to be the last day here on the
Iceland Ultra Divide. Got about 100 kilometers before Akureyri. But yeah, gonna wake up, have some coffee, and then hit the road.
So we've left all the volcanic rock and we've got on this really nice double track. There's a lot of green vegetation out, and yeah, we're making our way towards the ocean.
Oh yeah.
We just made it back on Highway 1 and it's 40k pavement before Akureyri.
It turns out there's a 7-kilometer tunnel to Akureyri that we can't ride through. Just got a little bit of a detour up this mountain, and hopefully the rest of it's downhill.
Hello, so made it to Akureyri, finished the Iceland Divide route in 7 days yesterday, about 600 kilometers. We're just running a few errands today, cleaning the bikes, getting some groceries. We're going to try to hop on a bus this afternoon, take us up to the West Fjords, and we're going to try to do some riding over there. See you then? Okay, bye.